Welcome to TradeHappy, a community of traders learning how to be profitable and happy. Today we're going to be talking about how to overcome trading fears. Trading fears for most traders comes down to risking too much or not backtesting your strategy properly. Risking too much, getting nervous, and starting to use emotion to trade instead of actually sticking to your strategy can be a great way to blow up your account. Think of it this way: the more you risk, the stupider you get with your trading. Risk small. A great way to actually practice risking a small amount when you're trading is to just risk the lowest that you can possibly trade on that account, on that brokerage. So trade a 0.01 lot when you're trading if you're on a live account, and just do that for a couple of months, and hopefully you'll get used to actually trading your strategy. I mean, you should be used to trading your strategy anyway, because hopefully you haven't gone into a live account straight away and you've actually demoed the account. So that's the actual next point that I'm going to mention: backtesting. You should be backtesting your strategy and knowing that it's profitable with you, because it's very easy to find someone that is profitable with a strategy, and when you actually trade it for yourself, it doesn't work. Now that's down to you not trading it the same way that they're trading it, because if you give 100 people the strategy, they'll all trade it slightly different. So find a strategy that you like and stick with that. If you know it's profitable, you'll be more confident with it, and it will take some of the emotion out of the trading. So a great way to have the trading experience and backtesting, but without risking your own capital, is obviously having a demo account. So use a demo account until you're confident with your trading and you're confident your strategy is profitable with you. Once you actually go live with the strategy, it could be a good idea to use limit orders. Limit orders are used almost as a way to trade, but without actually being in front of the charts. I use them all the time because it's just kind of, you find a level that you want to trade and you just stick the limit order in there and you wait for the market to come to you, and if it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, you move on. But it's just a good way to get the emotion and the fear out of actually taking the trade, because we're on the markets right now, and I'm just going to show you something that obviously a lot of traders probably wouldn't do. But let's just have a look at this. So let's say you were trading GBP JPY, sorry, and you get a setup to buy here. Okay, so it's come down to this area here, and for some reason you've got a setup to buy here. Would you buy if the market comes down and starts to go back up and just rolls over? When you're looking at the markets and it's like this, would you be scared to take a trade there if you actually got the setup with your strategy? Now I'm sure that a lot of new traders probably wouldn't have a strategy anyway that would be telling them to buy there, but that's not the point. Let's say they did have a strategy and it told them to buy at this point. I'm sure that a lot of newer traders would be scared, of taking a trade at that point. Now, if you're using limit orders and you stick your limit order right in there at the point where you've determined that the market should turn, then you don't have to worry about it. You can go and do something else and just wait for the market to come down to your level and tag you in, and then the market can go up and you can do whatever you want to do with the rest of your strategy. But the point is, if you're scared to actually get into a trade in the first place because it goes against what you want to do in terms of buying when the market's going down and selling when the market's going up, a good way to, deviate away from that and not having the fear come when you're trying to trade is to use limit orders. So maybe when you're actually using a demo account, it would be a good idea to use limit orders then. Now I know it's kind of hard to do that because it's a demo account and you don't want to be sitting there for a week or 2 weeks waiting for a trade to happen, but it's a demo account. It's supposed to be used to test. So test it like you would be trading on a real account as close as possible. So trade your strategy on a demo account and just see. If you're scared to take a trade on a demo account, I mean, you probably shouldn't be trading anyway. Because I mean, you're not risking anything and you're worried to take a trade anyway. But find a strategy that you want to use and demo trade that until you're comfortable taking the trades and you know it's profitable, because that will reduce the amount of fear that you have when you're taking the trades on a live account. And on the live account, make sure that you're risking the smallest amount possible, or 1-2%, not 50%, just to make sure that you're not fearful of actually taking a trade when the trade setup comes, because it's the worst thing. Like if your strategy was telling you to sell up here and you didn't because you were scared that the market was going to go higher, and you just watched it go down and down and down, and you're thinking, oh, I could have made 3 grand in that, or I could have made 40 quid in that, or however much you would have made, and you're just watching it go down and down and down. And just, if you get a signal from your strategy, take it, because it's a strategy that you're supposed to follow, and it's profitable because you've backtested it without emotion, because it's a demo account. And when you've gone onto the live account, follow the strategy like you would on a demo account. So I hope you've liked this video. I hope it's helped you to realize how you can combat your fears in trading. If it has, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. We do weekly videos here. Remember to go into the description and hit the link to join the community. We have a Discord community where we post trades, trading tips. Obviously we post the YouTube videos in there as well, so you can keep up to date with that. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you next week.